front of it now.
Wait till that magnet comes off and it's up for you. You would pick a bloody safe, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Get a safe out here.
There we go. I've
Oh,
chucked it
yeah.
straight into the safe, I think. Nope.
It's that 1600's gonna have to come in.
I might manage for this one. Come in.
Not
It's heavy.
good. Good, I'm glad it's heavy. Oh no. Hook it back up.
I'm going to try and just like hook it, get it straight inside.
Safe.
There we go. Right in the middle. It's coming out now.
There it is a safe.
Look,
You
it
know,
looks like
man.
that. Looks like that one off Titanic. Come on.
Oh, it's still. There's stuff in it, isn't there? Hang on. Oh, it's right there.
What's she saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you know it was there?
Yeah.
Did you know it was there?
No.
No.
Found it and then brought it in a bit and then it was like, oh, it's the same. I need to get all that sludge out of it first so it's too heavy.
Yeah. Suppose I better put my gloves on and get the big boy on the camera. Huh? Oh, you'd be amazed, guns and
Yeah?
rifles and submachine guns she's pulled out.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. You got canals?
Grenades. Yeah.
Canals, yeah.
Yeah, I love the
Yeah, she's on YouTube and Facebook.
You're not filming live now, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Why, you're not wanted, are you?
No, no, no.
Oh, right, oh, you're alright then. I'd help her, but, you know, I'm having a cigarette.
It's all in hand, isn't it?
It's alright, you're doing well, Sophie.
I'm having a cigarette.
I think I'm going to need that 16 on it.
I've got it there.
Lovely.
Take your
Dawn up.
panic little doorknob off before we're a grenade. It looks like one, doesn't it?
I can imagine.
I know.
You did me a favour anyway. Managed to get a good record.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we heard it.
Yeah, managed to get
Yeah,
some shots of it as well.
Now she's got the other magnet.
That's going to take some lifting, that. You're pulling this way and then you can get all the sludge out.
Oh.
Don't you love it when I pull the safe out?
Yes, every time. Oh, oh, look at that.
What?
Beautiful handle on that one.
Oh my god. That's
It's got the
an old
full handle. That's an old one.
one.
Yeah.
Are you doing regulating or
Wow.
sell it onto specialist stuff?
You can wear that one, eh? No concrete in it, it's
No.
backed out.
That's a beaut, that.
Yeah, it's a lovely handle on it. Right, like that in. Oh.
Spill out. Thinking of it. Yeah.
Get that off. Pull it off.
Go on, I've got it.
No,
Pull.
pull it. floods out.
Are you able to tip it a bit more towards my way?
Yeah, I can tip it.
Just really gently. Ready?
No. Right, come on. Let me get on the other side. I'll tip it over. Wow. Lovely angle.
It is. That's really old, that. See if we
That's
can
it.
get a date on it.
That went with a clunk.
Are we lifting up and out now?
No.
Brilliant. That's it. Oh wow. Look at that, where they try and get into it.
Yeah, they've tried everything,
Oh
haven't
my
they?
god. Wow.
Right, best way is here. And then you go to there. I can get my feet, but if I fall in here, I will have you. I'll do you. Oh, look at that. This is right. Have to get yours on top.
Get it on back end. Get it on far end too.
We're out of condition here, you know. In a long time. What do you think I am? A contortionist? Huh?
That'll do.
Oh, awful. Like pulling over here. Have you tried lifting it? It'll come off. Got sludge on it. Oh. What do you think I am?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, oh my god. I'll go away. Have to do it with your hand. Get your rope out up there. Move.
Get your mag down first.
Well. Right. We're making a jamboree of this. Step point.
Spin it round. Wow.
That's something. We've actually got one here now.
I'll tell you what, let's get a thumbnail. Seriously.
Why?
We'll get a thumbnail of us safe. I can barely hold up.
Go on, I've got
After
it.
3, thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Oh, wow.
That's handle.
Woo.
Isn't it?
Now what, Steve?
Now what? Now we have to fetch Van up here, don't we?
Is it able to be lifted like this? Oh God.
I'm not walking down there with that. Not down there. No.
My back as well. Wow. Can't wait some of that.
Yeah. Wish I stayed at home. Stay safe. Stay safe. One safe and that's it. Like a sweat box, aren't you?
I'm burning. I've got my jacket on full now.
You've been up the lakes too much, haven't you?
Or it's easy.
Yeah, well, it's easy. Got people giving you booze and water and carrying stuff. Yeah, that'll teach you. Yeah. Don't find another. That's brass, that. Solid as well, isn't it? Solid brass. You just recorded?
Yeah.
Thank God. Wow. Oh. Who says there's an alt up here, eh?
You can see where they've got an angle grinder.
Yeah. Chopped it back.
Tried getting in there.
Well, they do.
That lot of sludge we've had to empty out of it. And then they've got access to it through the back. What do you think of that, guys? Look at that brass handle. That's lovely.
Yeah.
I'll try and date that. Took
Been
it
in
out
there
of me,
a while.
that.
Has it?
You what?
It's been in there a while.
Oh yeah, definitely. Do you know, it wasn't even that far out either.
Well, they won't. Who's going to throw that at me? Where's the ton?
They probably like rolled it down.
Yeah.
Because it was like maybe there.
Got the feet all wet. Rolling the evidence in. What's the point? Just dump it there and leave it.
That's what they've thought. Nice decorative handle it's got. All these different angles on it. Very nice.
So that means something's been dumped up here, so there's going to be something up there further out. Isn't it?
Yeah. I've only been working this spot for what? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Found that?
It's out at way, close to the thing at night.
Yeah.
Pitch black round here, there's no lights.
Yeah.
You don't
It's-
come down here, that goes up the road.
It's literally like a country lane
Yeah.
in the middle of nowhere. I
Got
am
me
impressed.
thinking now, throw magnetic.
That's top.
Well, Sophie lands it again. Unbelievable. You've worked up from a door handle to a safe.
True. Started off
Well,
this
that was a
morning.
grenade when it was coming out. Oh my God.
I started off pulling out a door handle and now I've got...
First
Safe.
time in weeks. Well, you've got me into the back of it.
Are you feeling all enthusiastic
Yes,
now?
I am. Just you always get the best stuff. You know.
Do you know, I reckon there's a gun in here.
Yes. I know. There will be.
Yeah.
Shortest place is there, isn't it? Where you took it.
I don't know, if I were going to get rid of a gun, it'd be in the middle. I'd launch it.
Well, you can. I won't find a gun. Never do.
Not that I have a gun, but if I did, it'd be going right in the middle.
Never. Oh, God. Martha, how do you manage to tangle your rope with me?
I don't know.
Thrown it in.
It just happens.
Telling me.
I'm well impressed.
What is going on? How the hell do you tangle the rope?
Right, guys. I'll leave this video here. Might be back if we find something else dodgy.
Oh dear, she's got me off now. Plenty of salt here, isn't there?
Yeah.
This has never been done, has it?
No.
Eh? Towel pull, sinks. Sinks.
I wonder if there's artillery in here.
I have to watch that rope.
Yeah, I'll give you a new rope. You got that green
It's
one?
not my rope, it's yours.
Oh.
Yeah, it's great. Great Ventus. Yeah. Nope, not a fish. Plains a whistle.
Let's keep at it. Right. See you later, guys. Thanks for tuning in.